You know how sometimes it feels like the things that you worry about just keep happening. The more you think about a problem, the bigger it feels and the more it just shows up in your life. And there's a reason for that. Our brain is a very powerful tool. It's like a filter. It notices what we focus on. In cognitive psychology, they call this the reticular activity system. In simple terms, it just means that your brain scans the world for what you focus on. If you're constantly focused on lack, on fear, on problems, your brain notices this and it starts pointing it out to you everywhere. And I will die on this hill, but your perception shapes your reality. What you dominantly give energy to grows in your experience. Whether it's your thoughts, your beliefs, or situations, that's why it's so important to become aware of your thoughts and your beliefs and choose your focus carefully. If you are obsessing of what is wrong, you are amplifying it. If you obsess over what you don't have in life, you are training your mind to see only scarcity. But if you intentionally start to notice what's working, what's possible for you, and what aligns with your growth, then you are creating space for more of that to come into your life. And I'm not saying be so delusional that you need to pretend and ignore reality completely. I'm saying you need to start deciding where your energy dominantly goes. Because your attention, your awareness, it's power. Your focus determines your energy, your actions, and eventually the results that you get. So stop and ask yourself, is this state of being I am in helping me, or am I actually creating my own problems? Your focus is a tool. Start using it wisely.